Hi guys, we're back from Sea Hug Sea Moss at seahugseamoss.com, and we're just going to show you today a quick video on how to store your sea moss gel once you make it. Okay, if you've watched our previous videos, you've already seen how to prepare the sea moss. Once you receive the Sea Hug Sea Moss in your mail, all you want to do is, until you're ready to use it, you just keep it stored in the bag that it comes in. No need to put it in a refrigerator. Just leave it in the bag that it came in, and you can just put it in a dark, cool place in your cabinet. Okay, and then obviously once you're ready to use it or use some of it, you just take what you need and you use it, and you put the rest back into the bag that it came in and store it in a cool, dry place. Okay, so we've already made our sea moss gel. We've taken some of the sea moss out of the bag, and we've let it soak overnight in water for 12 hours. And we've already blended it in the blender with some alkalized water. Okay, and on this particular video, before the video we just shot, we added elderberry. So that's the purple color or the lavender color you see. Okay, the light purple color you see is, we use 3 tablespoons of elderberry syrup. Okay, so once you make your sea moss gel, you just simply take a glass mason jar, okay, and you just pour the sea moss gel into the mason jar. Okay, and the serving size is just 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon. Okay, put the top on and put it in the refrigerator. Put it in the refrigerator. Okay, and the rest that you're not going to use, you just go ahead and put that back in a cool, dry place in the bag that it came in, and just store it until you're ready to use it. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And to purchase the sea moss, you can go to www.seahugseamoss.com. See you soon.